Hey guys, so I'm doing another college week in my life. You guys really liked my last college week in my life, so I'm doing another one. So it is Monday. I don't know. I have midterms today, so hopefully I pass. Just kidding. Well, yeah, hopefully I pass, but hopefully I do, well. So this is my outfit. Here's my room. I was on spring break and I was home, so that's why it's like that. So okay, I'm gonna zip this up, but it would be so cute unzipped, but I'm gonna zip it up because it's obviously not that warm outside. I thrifted this at Goodwill. This is a green, it's like a lime green. It's from Calvin Klein. I don't know, I got it at Goodwill. This like sports bra looking thing is from Meshki. Thrifted my jeans and wearing my Air Force Ones. Like I said, I have midterms today, so I don't want to be like super uncomfy, and I'm always comfy usually anyways. I have these necklaces on, so they're both from the M Jewelers. I think they're so cute. I just got this one and it's a little long, like it's 22 inches. I looked it up online, it said 22 inches like falls here, but I mean everyone's different obviously. So I think I'm gonna get another chain because I want it to fall like right here, but it's a little too long, so I'm just gonna order a different chain off of Amazon. I'm not trying to straighten my hair anymore, so I don't know if it looks a little weird, that's why. Okay, let's go to school and pass our midterms. Michael and I and Tori took our quiz for economics. I'm in the middle of my school vlogging right now, and the quiz went very well, we think. It's 105 right now, 106 actually, and Michael went pee, and then we're gonna go walk to our other class and then take our midterm, so wish us luck. This is my favorite emoji. Which one should I do next?
I do not like this backside bungee.
Okay, like this is so worth $2. Like, come on. Let's go thrift shopping.
What? Well, where are they?
I don't know. We can go Thursday.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, can we go to that one designer thrift store and not buy anything but just look?
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Michael and I are walking right now to our last midsole, and we just took some really bomb pics, and then some old man took a picture with me.
Oh my god. Stop. I was taking a picture of Paige, and literally this old man jumps in and he goes, "Oh, you cute, let's take a picture." And I did! Daily life of Michael and I, just taking pictures of each other around New York. Literally vibe.
How does that even happen? What?
Someone literally said, "Fuck that water hydrant."
Fire!
What?
Hydrant! You just called it a water hydrant! Whatever! I'm back from true class. We didn't even end up taking our midterm. He postponed it. It's like a long story, but he rescheduled it until Wednesday, which I just rather just take it and get it over with, but it's whatever. But I want to show you guys some stuff I just bought recently. So where should I put you? My nail fell off. Okay, let's not talk about it. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. I'll take you guys with me, and I'll share with you guys where I get my nails done in New York, because a lot of people ask me that. John Frieda gave me some dry shampoo. My hair literally gets greasy the day after I wash it, so I've been trying to try out new dry shampoos because the ones I have always make my hair feel really stiff for some reason, and obviously I don't want my hair to be stiff. It does not make my hair stiff though. This is actually pretty nice. I'll let you know if I like it a lot after this is the first day I've used it. I just ordered some things off of My Mom Made It. I don't know. I found them on Instagram, so we're about to find out if they're a good store or not. I feel like Instagram stores are very hit or miss. I ended up getting two things. This is like a sweater. It's like a sweater bodysuit. I've never seen anything like this before. Maybe I'm just living on a rock, but I thought it was cool. It has a little zipper going down it. So yeah, thought it would be cool to, wear. Yeah, bitch. I've been looking for something like this for the longest time. This is a medium, so it's just this black fuzzy jacket. Let's try it on. Why not? This is a medium. It's soft. It's cute. It's furry. Oh no, you only can say so much. I was a little scared to order from them, but I'm happy I did. Some other things I'm going to show you. So I got these glasses off of Doe. Oh yes bitch. So these are, I think these are actually from Windsor, but I bought them off Adults. You guys can use my code for $5 off Paige. So yeah, these are super cute. Love these. I'm just gonna leave them on. And then this is the real tea, guys. This is the tea. So I ordered some things off of Naked Wardrobe, and I don't know, it seemed like a nice website. It seemed reliable. I know a couple people that have their stuff, so I ordered some things, and I'm disappointed to say the least. I might keep this. This is just a black tank crop, and I also got it in white. Oh, this is where the disaster happened. That is completely see-through, completely. That's always the problem with ordering online things that are white. I'm always scared they're gonna be see-through, and yep, this was see-through. And I also got these kind of cropped legging things. I was like, okay, this is gonna be super cute, you know, super Yeezy inspired, you know, I'm into it right now. And to set into like Yeezy looking pieces right now, I like the cycling shorts. I think they're so cute. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a pair. And this stuff isn't like super expensive, but it's also not like super cheap. So I got these, tried them on. You can completely see everything. When I tell you, you can see everything. There's a lipstick. I didn't even know there was a sticker. But when I tell you you can see everything, you can see everything. So I need to return these right now. Any good white sets, let me know, because I want a good white set that looks like this, and I just haven't had the best of luck. I need to clean my room like right now, so I'm probably going to do that and eat and do homework.
She gon' fuck me like a porn star. Please don't work hard. You could be someone today and just be nobody tomorrow. Smoke, that's all we know. Drugs just to hit the studio. Now me and steak and shrimp, bitch. I ain't eating Snappy Joe, go to rodeo. I got tattoos on my face, I use that shit as motivation. Yeah, I would move, shut it, honey.
Just made my super healthy dinner, Eggos, and I made the mistake and didn't buy chocolate chip Eggos, which are way better, but you know, just my super healthy dinner because I am just so healthy and in shape. You know, I had to show you guys my gourmet meal. I'm going to end the vlog here today, guys, because I have nothing else. I really don't have anything else to do. I'm just going to do some homework and eat and watch YouTube videos. So fun. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. Guys, welcome to Tuesday. It is Tuesday, so I don't have classes today. I went and got my nails done. It's actually like 2 o'clock right now. I've been slacking a little bit, so I got my nails done. I just got white. The nail salon I go to, I was gonna take you guys with me, but I took my camera and there was no SD card, so I go to Glitz Nails. It costs $20 to get your nails filled, which is such a good price because I've been Blizz's here and they wanted to charge me $130 for a fill, and I was like, bitch, bye. So it's a really good place. They do a really good job and it's cheap. Go grocery shopping now at Trader Joe's because I have no food. So we're gonna go shopping together, and guys, I have no school tomorrow. New York is supposed to have another snowstorm, so no school tomorrow. So I'm gonna sleep over Michael's house tonight. So let's go grocery shopping because I have literally no food and I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while, so let's go. Okay, and we're back from Trader Joe's. I got bagels, plain bagels. Oh, I didn't even know Trader Joe's has water, and it's alkaline water. So I got a couple of these. It was like $1. I think this was $1.45, which is so good. This is huge. I got that. I got another one. I got some bananas. Oh, this is the best. This arugula pizza. Love this. Oh, green seedless grapes are the best. And then Parmesan cheese. This is the best Parmesan cheese. I swear by it. It looks like this if you're interested. And then 3 apples, goat cheese I love cheese. I have like a cheese addiction. These are so expensive, but they literally have my heart. These are little mozzarella and prosciutto cheese sticks. So I got mushrooms because I like fungi. So nasty. And then, oh, another water. This one's a little smaller. Ravioli. This is good. Kombucha. This is my favorite kombucha. I tried a couple other ones. I don't really like them. This is the pink lady apple, and it's the health aid kombucha. Oh, maple syrup, which reminds me I have to get chocolate chip Eggos, but Trader Joe's doesn't sell them, so I need to go to like a normal grocery store. Favorite in the whole entire world, pomegranate seeds. Both of these probably will be gone by tomorrow. That's it. I'm gonna put my groceries away, and then I'm gonna pack a bag because I'm sleeping over my friend's house. So I need to do that. Michael is going to meet me. He works at Bloomingdale's, and he's going to meet me. I live like really close to Bloomingdale's, so he's going to meet me near the bus station kind of. So he gets off at 6, so I need to get everything done by 6. And it's like, what time? It's 5. Okay, I can do that.
Feeds me all night, bitch.
Okay, we're going to a Mexican restaurant right now. We're waiting for the bus right now. Where are we going, guys? Someone tell me.
Wait, it's called Playa Betty's.
Playa Betty's. We're going to Playa Betty's. California. Jenny and Michael are having an argument right now. Look how much salt is on the ground right now. Because of the snowstorm, it's approaching.
Got a mind of its own.
Here we are, guys, at the restaurant. It looks super cute.
This looks lit.
I know, it looks so cute inside. Taco Tuesday! Guys, it's Tuesday! All tacos are $3. It's Taco Tuesday. Thanks, Tori. Look how cute! Wait. What is it? Oh! Pomegranate seeds! Oh my god! It's DIY your own guac. Jenny's tacos look good too. Yeah. We're all going to Paige! My birthday, and we just booked our flights, but we didn't book our back flights, so we might not be coming back to America. But we're going.
What's happening?
I don't know. I guess I'm staying in Paris forever. I've been trying to book this flight for the last 3 hours, and our credit cards and debit cards have all been declined. Today is Wednesday, and it's day 3, so this is my outfits. Oh wait, guys, look how snowy it is. It's so snowy outside. This is my mom made it top that I just got. Thrifted my jeans, and I'm just wearing my Air Force Ones. Super cash outfit because it is so snowy outside, and everyone just is so happy. Oh my gosh.
She really?
We're going to Paris, by the way. You couldn't tell.
If you didn't know, I didn't even say the times. Okay, we're going July 4th overnight to July 10th. Cupcakes, coffee day. That's adorable.
Oh my god, that is the cutest one.
Right?
It looks like the list. I know, it's probably.
Why is it not focused on this? Fish. I got eggs Benedict and so did Michael. And then Emma got French toast and we're gonna split it. Jenny got French toast too and she's gonna split it with Michael.
Should I take my hood off then?
Is there someone coming? Is it a car? Oh, it's a biker.
So pretty.
Yeah, there's a taxi coming.
You can get candid ones like this too. Get one. Quick, taxi.
Look at my hair's literally soaking wet from being outside.
Like, we'll puff it up like that. Ooh, events.
Wanted to take some bomb pictures. Look how many pictures we took.
Oh my god.
So many pictures.
Wait, but this one's really the mood?
The ones of us are so cute. Aww, so cute. So we're just gonna do some homework and that's it. Do some homework, you know, straight A students, okay? I just got back to my apartment. It is snowing like crazy outside. Dote sent me my little Coachella announcement, which is so cute. Let me show you guys a little card, and they also sent me a cute little crown. If you don't know, I'm going to Coachella this year, weekend 1. I'm so excited, and I'm going with Dote, and yeah, it's just gonna be so much fun. Also, I got this little makeup brush travel holder from Amazon, because every time I go, every time I travel, I don't have anything to put my makeup brushes in. Okay, it's almost 7. I need to do homework. There's this project I have to do Sunday, and it's a group project, and I don't want to let my partner down, so I need to start working on that more. So I'm gonna do that all tonight. You guys know I was supposed to have school today, but I didn't because of the snowstorm, and I don't have school tomorrow, but I have an event I'm going to with Michael, so that should be fun. Oh, you guys can like see me vlogging in the back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's Thursday now. It is 5:28 p.m. I have done nothing today. Like literally nothing. I was invited to an event, and I'm gonna take Michael with me, and then I think we're going to buy our Paris returning flights. Ignore the mess in the background. So my shirt is from Danielle, Guizio. My pants are from IAMGIA, and then I'm just wearing my Nordstrom white boots. This bandeau underneath is actually from Fashion Nova, and then glasses are from Windsor, but I got them off a Dote. And then these gorgeous earrings I just got. I found this girl on Instagram that makes the cutest clothes. I'll have her link down below for you guys, and also I have her like Instagram right here, because that's where I like found her. I think it's called Overschooled, but I don't want to be wrong. And I'm just gonna wear a coat. So yeah, that's really it. Let's go. Okay guys, we just got off. This is the worst lighting ever. I can't do it right here. Nope. So difficult to talk with my face mask on, but it's actually the next day. My camera ended up dying last night, so I couldn't vlog anymore, but I had so much fun. I don't even know what the event was for. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I had to do a little outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'm going to try to do these weekly, maybe we'll see. But yeah, I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.